Welcome to another video of CAMFive EMB. This time, we'll show you how to make work the second head of your embroidery machine. Let's begin. Our CAMFive EMB HT1502 embroidery machine is the perfect addition to your business, especially if you want to increase your production. Its double head delivers the same quality in all your projects. But how it works? This machine has the ability to switch from using one head to using both heads. To do this, it's not necessary to program anything on your control panel. Simply turn these buttons to enable or disable the second head. If the red light is on, it means the second head is not activated. The green light must be on to confirm it's active. That's it. Now you can work faster with your CAMFive EMB HT1502 embroidery machine. Thanks for watching! Follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content of the CAMFive EMB machines.